Day 7. It's a blustery, crazy, insane day. So, hopefully we can safely get some panels down. If nothing else, these are going to now be set on top of the supports so that when it rains and or snows, it won't get them to be sitting in the water. You can see it, there's a little channel underneath these. Probably can't, but trust me, there's a little channel underneath them. It's a little easier to see where the water can run through those as well. So, this is what we're doing. Let's do it. Cold, but we got this stacked and covered, and we got the skinny and dark left, but what just hit me in the head? Hey, you stupid leaf. So mean. Anyhow, oh yeah, I gotta put that up. Got all of this side taken down. There's so many leaves in my hair. What's going on? Anyhow, so this is still here. But it's super duper windy and cold, so definitely not doing anything tomorrow because it's supposed to weather, ew. I don't want cold and freezing and wet. Look at them big old poofy clouds. They're like, I'm gonna drop some snow on you. So far, the forecast has changed to not snow, but it will be raining. So we shall see. Good work for day 7. We got so much done, and this stuff is protected. Eventually, we'll take it apart, put it into the shed, put everything else back in there, etc., etc., etc. But not today. See you soon.